Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right access. This prevents interruptions. On your phone or computer, open Settings immediately and go to Connections, Display, or Network depending on the platform. Once there, locate Screencast, AirPlay, Smart View, or Nearby Sharing, names vary. Tap to view active receivers and permission toggles. If you see a paired device, disconnect it now. If a toggle is on, leave it visible for the next step. This immediate action gets you into the control area fast. Now turn off the casting function itself. Flip the global toggle to off to stop all broadcasts. If the OS offers per-app casting permissions, revoke them so apps can't re-enable the stream. Next, find previously paired devices and choose Forget or Unpair to prevent automatic reconnects. If you use a smart TV or dongle, sign out of any accounts and disable guest access. Make sure to apply changes and restart the casting app or system service so the settings take effect immediately. Finish by rebooting your device. This clears lingering sessions and ensures the new settings stick. After restart, confirm settings shows casting disabled and that no receivers appear. If casting still happens, update the OS and any streaming apps. Outdated software can ignore toggles. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear saved device pairings, but back up Wi-Fi credentials first. If you still see unexpected casting, disable the device's network or factory, reset the offending accessory as the final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.